Jason Nappy is tracking our next chance of showers. This shows we still have a nice day to enjoy.
Yeah, I mean, look at the boats. I mean, they're out.
Everybody's out.
I mean, this summer you soak up every bit of sun.
Right. If we get a few hours, jump on it.
Yeah, there's no, okay, well, I'll just, do it tomorrow.
No.
It's get out there now. And it's all clear. Looking over at York, and obviously looks a little hazy. There's a little humidity in the air, but that's to be expected. It's August. Clouds increase today, rain tonight. A localized flash flood threat, and when I say local, it's really could mean your town, your friend's town not getting it, so that's how close it's going to be. Clearing with low humidity to start the weekend, and then that humidity is going to ramp back up. Here's a look at visible satellite. So clouds here, mostly mid-coast down to the southern coast. A lot of sunshine elsewhere. Currently temperatures already in the 80s at the noon hour. That's how you know it's going to be a hot day when we've already gotten to the big 80 in Augusta, Sanford, Bangor. Bar Harbor's getting close, 79. And here's that big spike in the comfort factor and the uncomfortable air where you see the oranges popping up at dew points 60, 65 plus that are starting to pump in. But big relief coming tomorrow in the muggy meter. We drop down to very nice. So that would be a dew point here in between 50 to 60. But then for the weekend, jump right back up as another storm moves in later Saturday to Sunday. But for live radar now, it's all clear, all the sweeps. Here is the storm starting to get its act together about 200 miles southwest, moving through Albany, and that rain will be pushing in here tonight. Not looking for it to be incredibly heavy widespread, but there is a storm. There is low pressure that's going to strengthen a little bit. So as this warm front nears us and the storm moves right over Long Island, and then right over basically Boston into the Gulf of Maine. Looks a little bit like a nor'easter, but not quite. Temperatures 70s and 80s. And at 1 o'clock, notice here, this model is popping up showers well ahead of that warm front, so I can't rule out that. Certainly going to have those pop-ups here with the sun heating the ground, the instability. That's the reason why you see that. But the main batch gets in around 6 o'clock here, starting to move into the border from York into Cumberland counties, Oxford County, and then Western Mountain gets it, also up to the Allagash and North Woods, and here Wiscasset through tonight. And some of this rain, especially along the coastline, could be tropical in nature and have a lot in the way of downpours. Now, by Friday, middle of the day, these are more of the scattered variety of those showers and thunderstorms, especially northern half of the state as the flow turns out of the west. So numbers are going to be all over the board here. Waterville, 0.1. But 1.1 in Wiscasset, 1.7 in Bar Harbor. It depends where you are on who gets the rain, who gets the flooding threat. Not everyone's going to see it, but if you get it, right now the issue is that soils are saturated, so it doesn't take a lot. An inch of rain could do a lot of, I don't want to say damage, but certainly could cause some problems. For the seas at 3 feet for the Mariners rest of today, winds southwest. Next 7 days inland. Today, well into the 80s. Friday, it's 76. Saturday, 78. I do expect us to stay dry a good chunk of the day Saturday. Rain comes in on Sunday. And then Monday, we dry out before more rain Tuesday. So you'll notice the pattern here where we go rain for a little bit, then we dry out. Rain for a little bit, then we dry out. This is a much more progressive pattern. This does not good if you're trying to do the hay thing and you're a farmer. You need the 3-day stretch. But if you can squeeze things in recreational or mow the lawn, this works.
That's the thing for most people. When do I get a window to mow the lawn?
Yeah, because if you don't, it's sky high.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, we'll look for those.